Hello everyone, Alex is here. Today I have here with me my first IEM. Why do I need them, you might ask? I will use in-ears monitor every day than the popular true wireless earbuds, like the AirPods Pro and the Sony WF1000 series. In specific, I will talk about the Moondrop Aria and my experience with it after using the Sony WF Mark III for years now. So let's jump ahead and start with the design. And here is something you should know about monitoring audio gears, like biorodynamic headphones and Moondrop Aria for example. It's built to last forever. Seriously, I know people have been using the DT770 for over 10 years now, and it still works perfectly, unlike the consumer level wireless headphones and earbuds. And you can definitely see that from the unboxing. The Moondrop Aria comes in a waifu box, which is something common for IEMs. Inside the box you will find the earbuds, a 1.3 meter premium braided 3.5mm cable, and multiple ear tips and filters with a tweezer tool. And the buds here are built from solid black metal accented with golden lines on the surface and 2-pins connector on the top. I'm personally a big fan of the design. It's been a while since I opened the box and I enjoyed all the small details inside. While all the true wireless buds are made from plastic and comes with the cable and ear tips only. Moving to the big selling point for the wireless earbuds, which is versatility. We all agree here that these things are super easy to use. You don't need cables or dongles to make it work on your device. All you have to do is to pair it and you are good to go. On the other hand, the monitoring buds need a dongle to work on your phone. And if you buy a high-end IEM, you might even need an amplifier to make it work properly. So here I will give a point to the true wireless earbuds, considering that most people are looking for versatility these days. With all of that being said, it's more likely to lose the wireless earbuds over the others, especially if it doesn't have a tracking feature on the app. Let's now move to the sound quality. A lot of people are going to throw hate on me here, but I have to say it. If you like the sound of true wireless buds, that only means one thing: you've never listened to IEMs before. I'm not saying the wireless buds are bad or anything, especially if you use the high-end ones, like the Sony Mark IV and the Samsung Buds Pro. By the way, if you are here for the Aria review, it's a blind buy for me, so don't hesitate. The sound is so crisp and clear with a great frequency response, and it doesn't require an amp to drive. Your phone dongle should be enough. However, it does focus on the sub-bass, which is not bad or distracting by any means, but if you're not a big fan of that, I recommend you to check the Aria Snow for more balanced sounding experience. With that being said, you will lose a ton of features with the IEMs, like noise cancelling, music control, and microphone to answer phone calls, which can be a good thing as well, because adding all these features will make the monitoring buds way more expensive. So for the sound quality, I will give a point to the IEMs, especially if you don't care about the other features. And even if I consider that hypothetically a draw between the Aria and the Sony Mark IV for example, that means Moondrop managed to get the same sound quality for a quarter of the price. Because the price of this is really catchy. You can go and buy $30 IEM, which will sound equal to the AirPods Pro that retails around $200. But of course you have to give up all the fancy features, like transparency mode, noise cancelling, and water resistance. And if you are wondering if you should consider the Aria over the other IEMs, I did a lot of digging and searching before I bought the Moondrop. It seems like the safe blind pick for starters in a $100 range. But let me know in the comments if you want me to compare it to any other earbuds in my future videos, or if you have any questions about it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and see you guys in my next video.